Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. So I have a sample data over here. So first thing is just simply go ahead and select the start date of your data. And now from here, go for the insert and then go for the charts tab over here and click on this one and go for all charts, go for the bar and go for the stack bar and click on OK. And now from here to right click any on the chart and go ahead and select data. And from here select add over here. So the series name will be duration. Now the series value will be this one and click on OK. Now from here on the axis label select edit and just simply select the name of the task and click on OK and click on OK. Now go for the cell over here, double click on it and you will have here fill. Select this one and select no fill. So go for no fill on everything. Now, as you can see, the initial planning is at the bottom. To change that, click on it. And from here, go for the axis options and go click this one. And go for categories in reverse order. Now guys, in order for you to change the date, as you can see over here, first go for the start date over here. And go for the end date as well. Now once you have selected your start date and the end date over here, as you can see, you will just simply go ahead and select two of these, go for the number, go for the general and select OK. Now once you have these numbers over here, select the dates over here and the minimum will be the start date, which is this one over here. So I'm just gonna copy that and put it in here, and the end date will be this one, and I'm gonna copy that and put it in here. And after that, you should be able to have a Gantt chart. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.